This video tutorial will show you how to search within the DSM-5 library database. The DSM-5 library is a digital collection from the American Psychological Association full of materials including the DSM-5, DSM-5-TR, and other materials like clinical cases, handbooks, and more. To view featured materials in the DSM-5 library, take a look at the list of materials in the blue banner. There you will find quick links to featured and commonly used items like the DSM-5-TR, Handbook of Differential Diagnosis, clinical cases, and more. To locate additional featured materials, scroll down to the DSM library section. Review and select desired materials. To access the full text of any of these materials, click the item from the DSM library list and then locate the Open EPUB PDF button. This will open to a full text electronic format of the material. You can click the outline button here to access a material's outline and identify the sections that you'd like to read. Or you can search directly within the document. Alternatively, you can scroll down and review the material's table of contents and read individual chapters by selecting the PDF or the full text access options. If you're interested in exploring a variety of materials, use the uppermost banner to search for materials by source type. DSM Library provides access to books, journals, news articles, and educational materials. Click each drop-down menu to explore items featured by source type. You can also search the DSM library using keyword searching. Keyword searching includes the use of keywords that you've identified as being the most relevant to your research topic. These should be words or phrases that best capture the essence of the research topic or the thing you'd like to learn about. Used in combination with Boolean operators, keyword searching can be quite effective at retrieving relevant materials. If you'd like additional help identifying keywords and implementing Boolean operators, please visit us at Ask a Librarian. We'd be happy to help. From here, you can browse through suggested results. Click the Filters button to browse recommended filters and refine your results page even further. If you find an article you're interested in, click the title. You can read the material in full online directly through the database, or you can click the PDF EPUB button for more electronic access options. Use the bookmark tool to save items to your account, and the Cite tool to generate citations directly in the DSM library database. You can also use any of the tools featured in this vertical toolbar for more ways to share and access the items, or search more effectively through the material. If you'd like more searching capabilities, press the search button and then the advanced search option. Here you can immediately refine your results using the built-in filters and limiters, like type and publication date range. In the keyword box, you can enter your selected keywords. Click the plus button for additional keyword fields. This will easily enable you to implement searching with multiple keywords and operators in a single search. On the right-hand side, take a look at suggested search tips. Just like in a basic search, use the filters button to refine your results. Your options are already sorted by articles and chapters and other resources. You can use the article types filter to refine your search to specific source types that best fit your research needs. The final section of this tutorial will instruct you on how to search for clinical cases using the DSM-5 library database. Clinical Cases is an electronic publication that expands on 100+ cases. These cases include in-depth discussions by expert clinicians on a host of psychiatric diagnoses. This material is great for students seeking to learn more about psychiatric disorders by examining relevant cases. You can access the full ebook by clicking on the Open EPUB PDF link, which will provide full text access to the entire ebook. You can also browse through the table of contents, where you can select and read chapters via full text online or by selecting the PDF option. After you've selected a chapter to read or have selected to open the entire ebook, you can search the document for any relevant key terms. The word or phrase that you've searched will be highlighted. If you're interested in saving a chapter, make sure to log into your personal DSM-5 library account. This account is independent of your Mary & John Gray library account and not managed by our library or university IT services. If you have any technical issues with your account, please visit the contact information displayed on the screen. If you have any further questions on searching within the DSM-5 library database, please visit our Ask a Librarian service. We'd be happy to help.